Hello. In a previous video we covered the COD payment link, which basically that's when you send a payment link for an order to a customer and they can pay for the order by clicking on that payment link and entering their credit card details. In this video we're going to cover how you can enable your customers to pay by ACH or EFT, as well as by credit card. So basically you can give the customer the choice to pay via bank account instead of using credit card if they prefer. There's two settings to enable this feature. So what we'll do first is we'll go to the settings screen here, and if you need to find it you can always search in the search bar right here and pull up the settings screen from there. Now the first setting we're going to look for is COD Payment Bank Account Enabled. So it's this one here, COD Payment Bank Account Enabled. And we'll go to the details, and you'll want to make sure this is set to 1 to allow your customers to pay by ACH when paying for an order. Then you'll choose Save here. The other setting that we'll want to make sure is configured is SX payment type ACH. So in this setting you'll want to set the payment type you would like the payment to tender onto in the ERP. In my case I want to use the payment type 10, so I'll go ahead and save that. And once those two settings are configured you should be good to go. So let's try it out. Let's go to the orders screen, and you can choose any order you want to request payment for. I'm just going to choose this one here. Now I'm going to choose email order here, and I'm going to choose display payment link yes. And for this particular order I'm going to request a payment of $1. You could request the full order amount or a particular amount that you wish to collect at this time. And then we'll click configure. And I will see the email that will be sent to the customer here. It has a review and pay button. The requested amount is $1. And if I pay by credit card, an additional $2 will be added to my payment amount. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send this to the customer that I want the payment from. In this case, I'll say it's me. So to JulietCreditors.com, and I'll go ahead and send the email. Now I'm going to hop over to my email inbox and I'll click that link so that I can pay the order. Alright, I've clicked the link and I see the payment page here. Now it'll prompt me to enter some information here, so I'm going to enter my email address. I'm going to enter the amount that was requested, so $1 in this case. And now because we have turned on pay via bank account in the global settings screen, I as a customer am allowed to switch between credit card or bank account. If I wanted to pay by card, I could go ahead and do so here. Otherwise I can go ahead and choose bank account, and I will be prompted to enter my banking information and some additional information required as well down here. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. I'll leave the account type on checking, and I'll enter my routing number and my account number as well. I'll enter my signature. I'll agree to the terms of agreement and enter my company information. Now once I filled out this information, I'll go ahead and choose pay order. And here's our thank you page with a receipt, and an email will also be sent to me with a receipt as well. So that's what it looks like from the customer's perspective. This payment, once a payment has been made, it will be tendered in the ERP on the payment type of your choice that you set in the setting, and also a copy of the ACH terms agreement along with the timestamp that the user agreed to the ACH terms will be stored on the order as well. So if we hop back over to the operations portal and we go to the custom fields, we can see at the bottom here we have our agreed to ACH terms timestamp with the timestamp that they agreed, as well as a copy of the ACH terms that they agreed with their signature as well. You can preview this document by previewing through this icon or downloading it here. And that's it. Thanks for watching.